Hey guys, it's me, Jennifer-Biana, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe and like, comment, and all that jazz, and let me know what you think. Also, please click the notification bell to be notified every time I post, and my social media will be right here. Follow my Instagram, my Pinterest, my TikTok. It's all very, very girly, so come through. Hi, I haven't done that in so long. Hello everybody. I also have never used this angle. Sorry if this looks ugly, messy. I don't know. I kind of wanted like a wider, like not just a plain background, like a kind of like wider angle. So yeah, hi. Today I am super excited because I am upping my game. I don't know if a lot of you guys know what I do as a job. It all kind of happened really recently, but I am a social media manager and I also do a lot of PR stuff. I'm also getting my master's in PR, so I do a lot of content creation as well as like editing and a bunch of stuff like that. But a lot of my job is content creation, and I have a Canon G7X which I'm using right now, but I got that 5 years ago as a high school graduation present. That's how I started my channel, which I'm so grateful for. I love all of you guys. Like every time you guys message me on Instagram, my heart just like skips a beat. I'm like, oh my god, I love you guys. It's so sweet. Like it literally makes my day. Like I swear. Please message me more. I would love to feel your love and I would love to reciprocate love. It's all love. But yeah, so like that's when I started this channel, and that was like a long time ago. And I know this year, or like at least 2020, I wasn't really posting as much. I had a really awful year. I mean, duh, like like me saying that, like no, so did everyone. Everyone had a really awful year. But I went through a lot of heartbreak and a lot of new job opportunities, which was amazing, but like also like I've just been basically trying to figure out how to balance everything. So it's been difficult for me to do, well, first of all, I was having a heartbreak, and then I was figuring out how to balance everything because I just got so many new things that changed. Like my life completely changed in 2020. Like right now, I don't understand how I'm living here. I don't understand my love life, like at all. Like right now at all. There's things going on that I'm very confused about. And like I'm just not in college anymore, and I'm back in the city. I'm living in a loft, and now I have like new opportunities that like I never thought I would do, in a career I never thought I would be in. So everything changed. Anyways, oh my god, my cat is moving the camera. Okay, oh, and I got a cat. And I got a cat. This is Sage. A lot of you guys commented, so thank you on Instagram. She's like a queen. She's a little fluffy queen. I love her. Yeah, I didn't even make a video about her, but so yeah, here I am. We're still alive. We're still kicking it. But at the end of the day, I am happy. Just all confusing how things ended up like they are. So anyways, I decided to order a camera. I spoke to a lot of photographers, even some photographers literally just from Tinder. It was really interesting. Thank you, shout out to them. Also spoke to a photographer that I work with, UK Kim, so thank you, giving you a cute little shout out. So yeah, he's great, I love him. Anyways, I spoke to a lot of people and figured out this camera. Also, if you're here for an informative thing, I don't know anything, so it might not be beneficial for you to be watching this video. I will just be showing how it comes. So I don't know anything about cameras. This was a camera that was recommended to me that's like obviously super pricey, but not like the priciest. And obviously I do YouTube, so I was looking for a camera that's more video focused, for more videography work rather than photography. Like I don't care that much about pictures. Obviously I do, and I still will, and I'll have like my fun with it. But I'm mostly looking for videography. So this is the camera. I got Alpha a7c mirrorless digital camera. And oh my god, I had to get a lens that's the exact same price as the camera. The lens, which I was gonna get a different lens, but my photographer friend told me that I should get a brighter lens. I don't know what these all mean. We'll play around with it. I got the 2470 mm f 2.8 DG/DN art lens for Sony E. Does this mean anything to you guys? I literally just asked people and I got a consensus. Anyways, so yeah, I'm sorry this isn't informative at all, but here it is. I'm so excited. I have no idea what, like I've literally never had a professional camera. Like I'm shocked that this camera has like a lens and it like you can't even use it without a lens. I'm like, oh my god, my brain, how is this Anyways, if you're just starting out on YouTube, Canon G7X, amazing, love it, perfect, beautiful. This is being extra because this is now my job. So like a lot of product photography, product filming, and I use the website. Apparently all the photographers told me to use BH, photo, video, B&H, so that's a website apparently to use. Okay, so here's the Sony a7c. Again, I'm really sorry to anyone who knows anything about cameras. You don't have to watch this video, I'm just gonna unbox it. And of course, play around with it. So this is the Sigma lens. Oh my god, why is this bigger than the camera box? This is all so crazy. Hi. Also my ex is a photographer. And he is probably here to mock me because I don't know anything about cameras. So hi. Oh my god, I am so sorry. I kind of unboxed it because I wanted to take the thumbnail picture. But basically, in the lens box, you get this bag and you get the strap. This is so official, oh my god. And this is a nice bag, very cushioned, very lovely, very nice. Here's the lens. Whoa, this is massive. What? I don't even know how to put a lens on a camera. I'm sorry. This is the camera. I mean, this is the lens that I picked out, or like that everyone hand selected for me. These are buttons that are there. Wow. I feel so professional. I mean, I'm not, but like I feel it, you know? Like, I'm not professional by any means. Like, I'm sorry to disgrace anyone that's like an actual professional photographer, videographer, but like, this is massive. I need to be so careful. Okay, let's open the camera. Oh, let me tell you prices, guys. The camera was $1,798 and the lens was $1,099. There's a little strappy strap that comes here. Here's a little battery that it comes with. Oh, that's cool. I think it comes with this, so I'm assuming the battery. I need to read things. Anyways, this is wrapped in like the least protective paper ever. It's like literally like tissue paper almost. Okay. Ah! This just feels like a bigger Canon G7X. All the photography people are gonna hate me for that statement. Here she is. I don't know, she feels really light. I expected it to feel heavier, but she feels really light. So this feels really light. Wow, I didn't expect it to, but I guess the lens is gonna be the thing that makes it like super heavy. And this does have a flip screen, which was like something that was really important to me. So here is the flip screen. This doesn't look as scary as I thought it would be. There's not that many buttons and it's very similar to the G7X. Or maybe that's just all cameras in general. Guys, I'm the worst, I'm sorry. Okay, and here's the bottom. Oh my god, yeah, this is where you would put the battery. Okay. Oh no, I got it. Did I? No, I didn't. God, I'm sorry guys, I'm just such a genius. It's difficult to even, you know what? Okay, I don't know. Okay, I got the battery in, guys. I know, I'm just like a genius. Me just expecting an image when I don't have a lens in is like really great. Okay. This was my worst fear. Not even knowing how to put the lens on is a problem. Am I gonna have to watch a YouTube video how to put a lens on? Oh wait, oh I got it. Okay, I'm a genius. Oh my god, this is massive. This lens is wild. This is pure insanity. Oh my god. Oh, and I just took it off. Yeah, we're gonna have to play around with this because I have no idea what's going on. They also all come with like strappy straps. Oh, this is not a strappy strap. What is this? I don't know what this is. I'm gonna have to figure everything out. I'm sorry for sounding so stupid. This was just an unboxing, I guess, to show you guys how it comes and everything. I'm gonna have a time learning all of this, and if you want to help me, comment down below. I need some help, girlies. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Whatever I can unbox, I always unbox. I don't know who's gonna want to watch this. Maybe people will, I don't know. Thank you guys so much. I'll see you soon. Maybe I'll do a review video once I actually figure everything out, and maybe I'll include some pictures into this video of like how everything looks and how like it has been going for me, you know, using the camera. So comment below if you want like a review video or whatever. I just need some time to figure it out. Thank you guys so much. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.